everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log out and switch accounts on Locket. If you want to use a different phone number or account, here's how to do it properly without breaking your widget setup. First, go to the main screen and then tap the profile icon on the top left. Next, if it appears, next scroll down and tap log out. Go to settings and then scroll down and then tap the sign out option. This will bring you back to the phone number entry section or the email entry section. Next, what you're gonna do is add in your email account which you want to switch to another, and add the other email account that you want to switch to, and then add in your password or create a password, and then that's it. Now enter the new email, type in your new password, and then do all the things that the app requires you to do. Add in a new nickname, and that's it. This is your another account that you can switch by logging out and doing the same steps on repeat. Instead, you can just use your old password and email account and it will bring you back to your old account. Now, privacy tip: use only your own phone number or email account to log in. Locket links all photos and friends to the number you register with. Never share verification codes with anyone. Quick fix: if it still keeps logging in into the old account, clear Safari cookies again and restart your phone. Delete and reinstall Locket. All the data is tied to that number, not the app. Use a private Safari tab if you're switching accounts quickly, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.